8-game win streak, visiting the defending conference champs. And the West was won on this night in the second quarter. Up 3, Westbrook, Kevin Durant, turnaround JS. Only 17 points, 6 of 14 from him, but they didn't need his offense. Moments later, Thunder up 4, Westbrook, Reggie Jackson, Mr. December for 3. 21 points off the bench, 4 assists, 1 turnover, 30 minutes. Here's Serge Ibaka from Westbrook when they were up 9, 14 and 14 for him. 19 seconds to go in the half, up 10. Westbrook, the floater. They outscored the Spurs 40-29 in the second quarter, despite the fact that Tony Parker was back in San Antonio's lineup. Second half now, 3 minutes left in the third. Up 5 is OKC. Spot up 3 for Westbrook. 13 of 22 from the field. 19 previous meetings, he only hit 36% of his shots. He had their number. Nice drive, crossover on Parker. Spurs uncharacteristically went 20 for 49 in the paint. They fell by 13 at home. Pelicans and Blazers. LaMarcus Aldridge limbering up. Taking on the former #1 overall pick, Anthony Davis. Backing him down. Jumper off glass. Third quarter now, Aldridge stripping Davis here. And then he's out on the break and beats Davis down the court to finish with this dunk. And then later, posting him up, fadeaway as well. He's got the skills. 18 and 8 does LaMarcus on that night. Later in the fourth, Blazers down by a bucket. Here's Damian Lillard, who's been unbelievable the last couple of weeks. 29 more points. Credits his recent scoring burst to taking more naps during the day. 10.2 to go. It's a good one. 3-point game. Ryan Anderson, no. Davis got the rebound. Tyreke Evans for the tie. Off front iron. New Orleans.